You know what they say, 8 looks great. But let's put that to the test. What's up, YouTube? It's BMAC. And if you like videos about tech reviews, product unboxings, or filmmaking and photography tutorials, make sure you smash that subscribe button with all notifications turned on so that you never miss another video on this channel. It is once again that time of year, my friends. We have in front of us the Apple Watch Series 8 in the midnight aluminum color. But per usual, new Apple Watch, you know what we gotta do. We have to unbox it, and that is precisely what we're going to do. Quick look at the box, you can see that engraved Apple Watch logo. I don't know why, that always looks so cool to me. Love it. And then nothing on the top and bottom or sides, but if we flip this over, that is where you're gonna have this little unhinge system mechanism thingy-badoo. That's a real high-tech way of explaining it, BMAC, well done. We have this little flap system right here, and of course, also on the back, you can see some model information, as well as some IMEI and serial number information, but let's just do what we came here to do. The unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 8. How awesome is this unboxing experience right here? Just that right there. You open it up, you see all the different Apple Watches with all the different bands. That's so exciting. But inside the preliminary box, we do have 2 boxes, one of which is going to be the Apple Watch Midnight Aluminum, and underneath that is just our sport band. Quick look at the sport band. It's not all that different from the other bands we've seen, so we will quickly look at this. Upon opening this up and sliding it out, you are greeted with another Apple Watch logo, and in front of here, boom, there it is. Your graphite color sport band. So we shall put that right there, but I know what you really care about. This baby right here. So we shall focus on that for the time being. Quick look at this box. You will see the Apple Watch Series 8 right there with its own watch face. And again, nothing on top and bottom or sides, except for on this side, actually, you do see Series 8 Midnight Aluminum case. But on the back, once again, some more IMEI, serial number information, and of course, model information, but 2 tabs to untab, which we shall do right now. 1, 2, and we're good to go. We shall flip this over. And now, the moment we've been waiting for. The Apple Watch Series 8 reveal. Hold on, it's still covered. We'll take a closer look at that in just a second. For now, we will remove it and put it off to the side. Teased you there, didn't I? Also in this box, you will see you have your little packet of information, an elongated packet of information. And if you slide this out, you shall see Apple Watch. If you turn this over, this is actually a quick start guide right here, telling you how to attach your watch band and follow the steps to turn it on for the first time, which hopefully you know how to do. But if you don't, that's what that's for. And then underneath that, you do have your safety and handling, battery and charging, Apple Watch limited warranty information, some fine reading to do on a weekend night, if you want. And that is it, but underneath that packet of information, you will see your Apple Watch charger, which is going to be nicely packed away into this little package right here. So this is your 3-foot Apple Watch charger, and if you haven't seen the new version of it, there's your slight aluminum look right there, which of course goes face down because you want the concave side to actually house the Apple Watch. But on the other end of this is your USB-C. And that is all that comes in the box. That's quite literally all we have to take a look at. Now for the star of the show, the Series 8. So if you're not familiar with the midnight color, it does have a very matte black look to it, but if you look closely in certain lighting, it has an ever so slight tinge of royal blue in there. Navy? Royal blue? No, it's more navy than royal blue. But here's your first look at the Apple Watch Series 8. But we have to set this baby up, so per usual on this channel, I'm gonna do the magic for you just by snapping my fingers. it's done. The Apple Watch Series 8 being turned on and used for the first time. And as you can see here, immediately rocking one of the new watch faces, Metropolitan, which I think looks really nice, taking full advantage of that super large 45mm display. But now that that is set up, it is time to say goodbye to the old and say hello to the new. Slap this baby on my wrist, 1 sec, and we are in. Looks nice on the wrist, if I do say so myself. Oh, and we got Siri listening to us already. Okay. So not surprised how beautiful it looks, but there are still some things I'm gonna have to put fully to the test on the Apple Watch Series 8. Some of the new watch faces, of course, being part of that. But this is only the unboxing, so it's not time to get into much of that. If you wanna make sure that you do not miss the review video for the Apple Watch Series 8 when it drops, you already know, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. But that is the unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 8. Of course, if you guys are interested in learning more about the Series 8 or just to snag one of these beautiful babies for yourself, you could of course always head to my affiliate link, bmac.link/AWS8, or of course there will always be a clickable link in the video description box below as well, so check it out. And now I don't really know what to do. We're good to go. Maybe I'll just casually like walk around town, like pretending to scratch my hair or something, show it off. Is that the new Series 8? Oh yes, yes it is. Thank you for noticing. I'll see you guys in my next video. Just like walk up to the bar. What's up, ladies?